Hey you all, welcome back to yet another video. I think I have found my favorite oil for my low porosity hair. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make aloe vera oil and also how to use it to moisturize and grow your natural hair, or even use it on your skin. Aloe vera oil has so many benefits for the hair and skin, and I'm going to be taking you through it all throughout this video, so enjoy. To make this oil, I'm going to be using aloe vera plant leaves that I've cut from my garden. I'm also going to use water just to remove the poison from the aloe vera leaf. To start off, I'm going to be cutting off the areas that have oxidized and have turned brownish red on the aloe vera plant leaf. I'm going to cut off the spiked edges, and then I'm also going to cut off the areas that have been burnt by the sun. You can also see the aloe vera gel which is oozing from the leaf as I cut off the edges. I am using room temperature water to remove the aloe vera poison. The aloe vera poison is generally for if you're going to be eating the aloe vera gel inside the aloe vera plant. It can cause diarrhea and cramping, and also some people found that when they don't remove the aloe vera poison, it causes them skin irritation. So let's just be safe and remove it, even if we're going to be using it for our hair. So I am just going to leave these leaves for maybe about an hour or two, and then when the water starts turning yellowish, that's when I'll remove the aloe leaves, because that is generally the poison. You can see that the water is yellow now, so I'm going to remove the leaves. I'm going to just use a paper towel to just remove the water from those aloe leaves and dry them before I make the aloe vera oil. I'm then taking the leaves and cutting them off into smaller sections and putting them into a blender. Then I will blend them together just to make sort of a smoothie solution, which I'm not going to drink, by the way. We're going to use this for our oil. I'm blending the leaves into a fine solution, which will work perfect for when we are making our oil. I am then just pouring the solution into a bowl, and we are going to do our oil now. I am going to pour out the solution into a pot, and I'm going to put the stove on medium to high heat. I am using extra virgin olive oil as a carrier oil to make this oil, because you guys know that the aloe vera leaf only makes gel, it doesn't make oil. I am then going to keep stirring the pot so that the aloe vera doesn't stick to the pot while it is cooking, and I'll keep stirring until the oil separates from the aloe. After about 20 minutes, it had separated, so I waited for it to cool down and I poured it into this glass jar. I left it in this jar for about 2 days, but you can leave it longer if you want the full benefits of this aloe vera oil. To separate the aloe vera oil from the particles, I'm just going to use old clean stockings to use as a filter. I am going to make sure that that stocking is very secured onto that container that I'm going to be filling in the oil. And then I'm going to put the solution into that stocking while it filters out the oil. It didn't really take that long for the oil to filter out, and now I have separated the oil from those particles. I'm not going to use those particles, so now I'll just fill up my container, empty container, with that oil. I'm just taking up a funnel and then filling out that container. There you go. Now we have our aloe vera oil. So now how am I going to use that aloe vera oil? I'm using it firstly as a hot oil treatment. After washing my hair, I did the back of my head, so now I'm just going to do the front. I'm going to try that water that's still in my hair. I'm going to put on conditioner. This is normally how I wash my hair, and then I'm using this oil as a sealant. What I loved about this oil is it's very light after using aloe vera, mixing it with olive oil, and then it's sipped into my hair so easily because it's such a light oil. I'm going to just put a lot onto my hair, just cover my hair with that oil, and then I'm going to put on a plastic just to heat up that oil that you would normally do when you're conditioning your hair. And then I'll just wait maybe 30 to 1 hour. You can even use it the whole night because it's so beneficial. After that, you can see that my hair is shiny. I'm just going to rinse it out with cold water, and after rinsing it out with cold water, I'm going to dry my hair and let my hair air dry. Now that my hair is dry, the first noticeable difference that I felt is my hair felt so soft. It was so easy separating my hair after washing it and drying it up. The hair was bouncy, fluffy. It felt incredibly soft. I even used it after to massage my scalp. My scalp felt so nice because it wasn't itchy, it felt moisturized. This is a very moisturizing oil. To make sure that it lasts long, I kept it in the fridge, and at night I would just, when my scalp felt itchy, I would just massage my scalp with it. It felt so good, let me tell you. And I think that's how it grows your hair. It's a very moisturizing oil that will keep your hair moisturized and reduce the breakage from your hair. It has a lot of amino acid. It has antioxidants, which means less dandruff on your hair, and also can treat scalp problems. So I loved this oil. It's going to be one of my favorites that I use on every wash day. So guys, thank you for watching this video, and I love that you enjoyed it because you're at the end. See you on the next video. Goodbye.